Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T Alco 85 very short grain hopper train heading to Oil City. This is in 3 parts. Let's check it out.
Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We got a really short grain hopper train. Let's check it out. This is the same train I got at the plastics.
This is the same Oil City train. This is the same OC&T train from the WL Plastics train. Train should be coming here in a couple minutes. Like I said, this is a 3 parts here. And then maybe we'll do this one here, and then we'll do the next, and then we're gonna take a break so we can start these uploads. This video's at the Quality Inn Resorts, by the way.
Really short grain hopper train.
This is a short one anyway, so good thing we kept the camera rolling for a few minutes. Should be a short.
There goes. Just only one hopper going there, one hopper only.
Yep, just one hopper only is all they picked up.
Alright, on to the Perry Street station. Let's roll it.
But before that, we're gonna freeze it here. Symbol on this train is OC&T Alco 85. That train originates to Titusville, Pennsylvania, heads south to Rouseville, Pennsylvania, with one service industry of interchange freight is all they do, plus dropping off the passengers for the passenger train events where it terminates. All on this Friday, July 7th, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the same grain hopper train at the Perry Street. Talk to you later.